We're out already. That's what people are saying. Nope, not for me. Wait for this firmware to become available. It's Holy Eye 2-axis gimbal. And I gotta go do a couple of shots right here. We have a sprinkler that's on. As you can see, here's some water, and I don't want to get the camera anywhere wet in full and keep it there. But you get to see what the water looks like. These are some shots of the Insta360 Luna firmware 1.0.283. Really hope that, we have fixes for the bugs and issues that we have reported, but some people calling it major firmware, and it's not really major. What's that floating in the water? Is that another garbage bag? I can't make it out on the screen. I got an overlay that's in my face, and I got a couple of birds flying by. Probably all the junk that's inside the bay going out to sea. Look at the birds. Ooh, just dove right in front of me, but I don't know if it's on camera. I need to get this shot here. And it looks like a fishing boat with lights on, scrolling up. And that is a shot of the birds going for food. I need to make a video before I do any future updates. I need to mark down all the issues, bugs that I think that was caused by firmware 1.0.283. And what 1.0.047 really no longer matters. I have a custom button there on the screen. Double press the left side, it goes to photo. And to get back to video, oh man, it's a lot of swipes over. So as we ride along, we're going to see if we can see the sunrise. I was just about to say sunset. Let's get on biking, get on talking, get on going. I hope you can hear me over the noise. I'm on noise cancellation week. I'm being passed up by everybody. Oh man, let's go catch up. I'm catching up. I want to capture the sunrise. I need to get up there with the rest. I'm doing pretty good. I'm still in the same gear. Number 2. I hardly switch out of that gear. Woo, baby, is he going? I am almost there, and that sun is coming up fast. There we are. The sun. Where can I get the shot? Do I climb the fence? I find a spot I can stick it through. I can stick it right here or right here. I'm missing color. Definitely missing color. I don't have color like the sunrise in the other area. I caught the sunrise, and I had a good time capturing some cars, close-ups. That reminds me of my trip in my Sony when I'm traveling along and zooming close by, how it gives you that motion blur look. So as I ride along, get on to where I need to be at, yep, on fish. I got some videos on here that I gotta put onto the review and get the things going. Now, you never heard of HAYWIRE? Neither have I. They're a budget camera, and they cost around $99 after the discounts. That's what it looks like. It don't have stabilization. It's got axis. Only one, and the other one you gotta adjust by hand. Time to go dump off, transfer, and edit. And have a good day with Joe. I got beeswax. I got beeswax to take care of.